In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do demo trading on Kucoin in 2025. Demo trading is a fantastic way for you to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency without taking on any real financial risk. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Kucoin website. You'll find it's a hub for all things crypto trading and will be your main venue for both live and demo trading activities. Go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in the Kucoin URL, or simply search for Kucoin to get to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a clean interface with multiple options available to explore. Now, the next step requires you to log into your account. You'll notice a button labeled Log In on the upper right side of the web page. Click on it, and this will prompt you to input your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go through the sign-up process, which is quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Having an account not only lets you demo trade, but also enables you to take full advantage of all features Kucoin offers when you're ready to trade with real funds. Once you're logged in, return to the Kucoin homepage. You should now have access to more features, given your user credentials. You're set to proceed to the next section of our demo trading setup. Locate and click on the derivatives option, which you'll find in the menu bar at the top of the page. This section is where you will manage all your futures trading activities. Derivatives are complex financial instruments allowing you to speculate on the future price of an asset, and practicing with a demo account can be invaluable in building expertise. Next, within the derivatives section, you should see a tab marked Futures Overview. Click on that to get an overview of the available futures contracts. This area provides a wealth of information, including market trends and product guides, crucial for making informed trading choices. Once you've familiarized yourself with the futures overview, proceed by clicking on Start Trading. This button might be positioned prominently as it serves as your entryway into the hands-on trading experience. Here is where the magic happens. You are now in the demo trading area specifically designed by Kucoin to allow you to trade with virtual currency. With all this set up, you can perform trades, evaluate strategies, and gauge potential outcomes without risking any real money. This is a perfect way to sharpen your trading skills and acquire a deeper understanding of market dynamics. The beauty of using Kucoin's demo trading platform lies in its range of features that mirror real-life trading scenarios. Take advantage of the tools at your disposal for practice. Ensure you keep an eye on market trends, and don't hesitate to explore various functionalities available on the platform for a more comprehensive learning experience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your demo trading environment on Kucoin. Enjoy exploring and happy demo trading.